Alright, today we're bringing you guys some delicious breakfast burritos. Very simple. We're going to do the California style with the French fries. You don't have to cook the potatoes. It's way easier. You just throw them in the oven, let them get crispy. There you go. We're also going to be using chorizo today. We're going to be using 9 taco fruits, some nice keto-friendly tortillas, onion, some cheddar, and we get a little bit of heavy cream for our egg mixture. Stick around. We're going to show you how to make some world-class California-style breakfast burritos. Alright, first we're going to do our potatoes over here real quick. Grease up a little cake pan over here, make it easy. Put our potatoes right in there. We're not going to put any salt on these. They're probably, they're good enough. They're going to get salty from the chorizo in our mixture, so we just want to get them nice and crispy. We put these in the oven, 350, 10-15 minutes, let them get nice and brown. Now we're going to do our egg mixture. Do a little bit of the heavy cream. Use a tablespoon or 2 of hot sauce. Enough for the flavor. And a little bit of the spice. Alright, now our taco fruit. Okay, you wash my hands, be right back. Alright, now it's time to blend. We're going to be using our Santoku knife for this one. Alright, now for our garlic, we could just smash that, we don't have to mince it. Alright, we're ready to go for our chorizo. And we're ready to go, our skillet is nice and hot. Make sure you clean the skillet after you do the chorizo. There's a lot of stickiness on there, even for a non-stick. All ready, my friends. The fries took a little longer than I thought. It was about 20-25 minutes, but that's okay. Got everything ready. It's cooled down a little bit, so now it's the perfect time to assemble. We lost a little bit, that's okay. It'll get eaten anyway. Pretty good, guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one.